Well, I guess deep down, I'm feeling a little confused.
I'm fine! Totally fine! I don't know why it's coming out all loud and squeaky, because really, I'm fine. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. Don't cry.
This is the worst.
I don't like it! I don't like to think about it!
Are you stupid? Are you a stupid person? And you're just asking questions because you're a stupid person.
First there's sadness, then anger, and self-blaming, nausea, tears, sleepless nights.